In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple languages in Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From here, you are going to set up the language in two places. First in your store language settings, and then inside the market where you want that language available. Start by going to Settings. In the Settings menu, click Languages. This is where Shopify manages the languages your store can support. Next, click Add a Language. You will see a drop-down list of available languages. Choose the language you want to add, then click Add to confirm. At this point, you have added the language to your store, but you still need a way to create and manage the translated content. For that, install the Shopify Translate and Adapt app. You can find it in the Shopify App Store from your admin. And once it is installed, it will connect directly to your store so you can start adding translations in a structured way. Now you will enable that language for the specific market where customers should see it. Go back to Settings, and then open Markets. Markets control how your store appears in different regions, including language and local preferences. Find the market you want to update, and click Manage next to it. Inside that market, click Languages and Territories. This is where you can decide which languages are active for that region. Select the language you added earlier, and then click Save. Saving here is important because it is what actually turns the language on for that market. Finally, open the Translate and Adapt app. This is where you will add your translations for key areas like product details, collections, pages, and other store content. As you translate, focus on your most visible pages first, such as your homepage, best-selling products, and checkout-related content, so customers get a smooth experience right away. Once your translations are added and your market settings are saved, your multilingual setup is in place and ready for customers. That covers everything you need to know.